Execution is delivering on the promise of your strategy. It's flawless implementation. Yet it's typically where things fall apart. Execution is as much about preparing to execute as it is about the doing. Implementation planning keeps your strategic plan from dissolving into a disparate list of to-dos with little or no traction. Our process of execution ensures a well-crafted implementation plan that translates the strategy into day-to-day actions, secures alignment and engagement throughout the organization, and drives accountability for measurable desired outcomes. We help you avoid the classic situations, say when business goals are disconnected from performance management, when there's no clear line of sight from daily activities to where the organization is going, and when teams resemble silos instead of cross-functional interests. At its core, execution is about driving strategies that require people to do things differently and balancing between the urgent day job and the important new goals. Flawless implementation takes significant effort and requires sustained commitment. Are you ready to deliver on the promise of your strategy?